Woman, as if responsibility personified. A unique creation of the God. Your eyes brim with unbending confidence. With divine radiance you shine. A new morning has dawned for thine. Darkness of illiteracy will be shined out. Literacy will be your companion throughout. Literacy, empowerment, and dignity for women is Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan. They say whenever a woman is educated, an entire generation gets educated. Realizing the gravity of this, our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi gave the mantra Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Taking this mantra a step forward, Navsari District Administration under guidance of Chief Minister Shri Vijay Bhai Rupani and Deputy Chief Minister Shri Nitin Bhai Patel, Navsari has taken a unique initiative. Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan.
घर में एक महिला भी अगर शिक्षित है, शारीरिक रूप से सशक्त है, आर्थिक रूप से स्वतंत्र है, एक महिला गरीब से गरीब परिवार को भी गरीबी से बाहर निकालने की ताकत रखती है.
Navsari, a district with a rich history, is a distinctive confluence of antiquity and modernity. The phrase unity in diversity is apt for the people of this region. To encourage denizens of Navsari to participate in Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi's various campaigns, Mission New India, Digital India and Cashless Economy, along with helping local women in carving a niche for themselves, the district administration has launched Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan.
न्यू भारत, न्यू इंडिया के सपनों को साकार करने में हम जुट जाएं. सपना भी आपका, संकल्प भी आपका, समय भी आपका, समर्पण भी आपका और सिद्धि भी आपकी. न्यू इंडिया सपनों से हकीकत की ओर बढ़ता हुआ भारत. न्यू इंडिया जहां उपकार नहीं, अवसर होंगे. न्यू इंडिया की नींव का मंत्र सभी को अवसर, सभी को प्रोत्साहन. न्यू इंडिया नई संभावनाओं, नए अवसरों का भारत. न्यू इंडिया लहराते खेत, मुस्कुराते किसानों का भारत. न्यू इंडिया आपके हमारे स्वाभिमान का भारत.
Currently, out of 372 villages, 288 villages of Navsari district have below average female literacy rate. There are few areas where the female literacy rate is below 50%. To eradicate difference between male and female literacy in these areas, Nav Nari campaign educates women at their place, at their convenience and with their people.
નવનારી અભિયાન એક આપણા આદરણીય વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્ર મોદી સાહેબનું જે ન્યૂ ઇન્ડિયાનું સપનું છે એ દિશામાં જવા માટેનો આ એક કેડી કંડારાનો રસ્તો છે. કલેક્ટર શ્રી અરોરા સાહેબ અને એમના સૌ અધિકારી અને એમની સાથે જોડાયેલા સૌ કર્મચારીઓ પણ આમાં ખૂબ અંતરાળ ગામોમાં જઈને આ યોજનાને અમલમાં મૂકવાનો સફળતાપૂર્વકનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો છે. આખા જિલ્લાની અંદર 1 લાખ જેટલી બહેનોને સાક્ષરતા આપવા માટેનો એક પ્રયત્ન છે.
Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan Working Plan. Coordinator helps in deciding convenient time and place for village women. 2 hourly class for 30 days is arranged for women education suitable to their daily routine. Each class has 25 to 30 females. They are given educational kits. Under the campaign, monthly honorarium of 3,000 rupees is fixed for teachers. And beneficiaries are given 10 rupees daily for refreshments. A class costs around 10,000 rupees a month.
આ એક ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ડેવલપમેન્ટ છે જે જેન્ડર એમ્પાવરમેન્ટની જે અમે વાત કરીએ છીએ કે મહિલા સશક્તિકરણને અને સશક્ત નારી સશક્ત ભારતના જે વડાપ્રધાનશ્રીના પણ એક નારા છે આ ઝુંબેશ હેઠળ આ પ્રોજેક્ટને અમે એના પ્રેરણાથી આ પ્રોજેક્ટને અમે ગણી શકીએ છીએ.
Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan Target Group. Females between 15 and 50 years of age in villages with below 50% female literacy rate are educated and guided for prenatal care, ideal parenting and exploring innovative means of livelihood. Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan Focus Area: Literacy, Health and Fitness, Livelihood and Earning, LPG connection to each homemaker. Today, the remotest villages of Navsari with lowest literacy rates, such as in Mankunya and Nirpan. Women enthusiastically attend literacy classes and their families support and encourage them in their endeavor. Further, under Nav Nari, experts from banking sector, doctors and other experts guide these women. Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan, launched to educate women to make them capable and self-reliant, to fulfill their aspirations and to materialize the mantra of Sauno Saath, Sauno Vikas, has got immense support from progressive government of sensitive Chief Minister Shri Vijay Bhai Rupani, making it a huge success. Education under Nav Nari campaign has brought about positive change in lives of many women, and one amongst many such women is Urmila Ben Gamit, a resident of remote village in forest resource-rich Vasada Taluka. Despite being proficient, lagged behind in many fields for being illiterate. Her family encouraged her to get educated under Nav Nari. Now, she easily does many important work on her own. She avails benefit of government scheme for herself and her family. Today, her family is proud of her. This is Niruben Sinda. Tireless work and ceaseless efforts are her companions to life. She was an excellent at farming and attending family. But she had to depend on her husband for financial works and banking. It was after her husband sent her for education under Nav Nari campaign. Her life witnessed a positive change. Under Nav Nari, experts gave her understanding of banking and opened her bank account, whereas DRDA officials helped her explore innovative ways of livelihood. Today, she is independent in many ways and helps her husband too. Look at Jasiben Jadhav, who has shouldered all responsibilities of her family. Jasiben, who relentlessly cared for her family, was worried about frequent illness. But under Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan, she was made aware about the importance of health and hygiene from doctors and experts, besides getting information about government health services. Now, she is the protector of her family's health. This is Sunita Ben Bhoya, who does farming and animal husbandry with her daily course. Without LPG connection, she led life full of hardships. Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan, under the guidance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, Chief Minister Shri Vijay Bhai Rupani and Deputy Chief Minister Shri Nitin Bhai Patel, helped many females like Sunita Ben availing benefits of Ujjwala scheme and 3,350 rupees of assistance under public partnership to get LPG connection. Sunita Ben also availed assistance and got gift of literacy, health and well-being. An online portal is launched for successful management and monitoring of Nav Nari Ek Abhiyan. The website will enable successful and transparent management. and anyone can get information about campaign and progress from their home. To create history by achieving 100% female literacy in all villages of Navsari, to curb maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, to make women financially independent and to make her capable of taking decisions for her family. Navnari Ek Abhiyan is being spread ceaselessly. NGOs and philanthropists have also volunteered for the campaign. Today, Navsari is transforming for good and foundation for literate future is laid. Navnari Ek Abhiyan. Literacy, empowerment and dignity for women.